Welcome back, my students. We were discussing how to add, how to subtract rational numbers. It's time to discuss how to multiply and how to divide rational numbers. Okay, how to multiply two rational numbers. Let's discuss that one first. Understand, multiplication and division is the easiest compared to addition and subtraction. There is no category if A by B into C by D is the situation. Then the answer is A into C by B into D. Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. A by B into C by D equal to A into C by B into D. For example, what is 2 by 3 into 7 by 8? 2 into 7 in numerator, 3 into 8 in denominator. Pretty easy, right? 2 into 7, the answer is 14. 3 into 8 is 24. 14, 24. Both are divisible by 2. 14 by 2, 7. 24 by 2, it's 12. And by 12 is the required answer. Okay, maybe we need more example. What is 3 by 8 into 1 by 3? Simple. 3 into 1 in numerator, 8 into 3 in denominator. 3 into 1, the answer is 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 3, 24. Both are divisible by 3. 3 by 3, the answer is 1. 23 by 3, 24 by 3, the answer is 1 by. Simple, right? Numerator into numerator will be the answers numerator. Denominator into denominator will be the answers denominator. Okay, I will give you one more insight. The same in both of this question. 2 by 3 into 7 by 8. When the question is multiplication, and there is only multiplication, then from this step onwards, we can cancel. In numerator, there is 2. In denominator, there is 8. Both here itself I can cancel. 2 by 2, 8. 2 by 2, the answer is 1. 8 by 2, the answer is 4. So 1 into 7, 7. 3 into 4, 12. 7 by 12. Without this step, I can move here. When it is multiplication of rational numbers, then only we can do that. Okay. In addition, we don't have that option. Because look at the second question, 3 by 8 into 1 by 3. From this 3 into 1 divided by 8 into 3. Since there is only multiplication, from this step onwards, look, 3 by 3, the answer is 1. This 3 by 3, the answer is 1. Numerator, denominator, both I can cancel with a common number. So, 1 into 1, 1. 8 into 1, 8. Directly, I will get the answer. Do we need one more example? And this is the last one. Try to understand it within this one. What is 12 by 5 into 15 by 3? The strategy, 12 into 15 divided by 5 into 3. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Okay. Now, can I cancel anything? Yes. 15, 8, both I can cancel with a 5. 15 by 5 is 3. 5 by 5 is 1. Now that 3 and this 3 I can cancel. 3 by 3, the answer, 3 by 3 is 1, 3 by 3 is 1. Both got cancelled. 12 into 1, 12, divided by 1 into 1 is 1. 12 by 1, my answer is 12. Okay, hope you understood how to multiply two fractions, A by B into C by D is AC by B. Now next question, how to divide two fractions. A by B dividing by C by D. It's not a big deal, but the strategy is A by B. The second number I will find the reciprocal of it. What is reciprocal of C by D? D by C. I will interchange the numerator with the denominator, denominator with the numerator. A by B dividing by C by D is A by B. This dividing by C by D will change into D by C. Then we will do the same multiplication that we learned yet. Definitely we need example 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. How can I do that? 2 by 3. Dividing by 8 by 9 is same as into reciprocal of 8 by 9. What is reciprocal? Numerator, denominator, I will interchange. 8 by 9, the reciprocal is 9 by 8. That's the only step. new for division. Rest is just multiplication. Multiplication, we know how to do it. The strategy is 2 into 9 divided by 3 into 8. And from here onwards, we can cancel 2 by 2 and 8. Both I can divisible by 2. 2 by 2 is 1 and 8 by 2 is 4. Now 9 and 3 I can cancel. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. My final answer is 3 by 4. I will give you one more example. What is 7 by 3 dividing by 8 by 5? The answer is 7 by 5. Dividing by 8 by 5 is same as into 5 by 8. How can I do that one? Multiplication is easy. 7 into 5 divided by 3 into 8. Does anything get cancelled? No. There is nothing to get cancelled. So 7 into 5, 35 divided by 3 into 8, 24. 35 divided by 24 is the required answer. Okay. One last question for understanding division of two rational numbers. 2 by 3 dividing by 7. What's the answer? Let's see. The strategy is simple. 2 by 3. What is actually 7 means? How can I write 7 as a fraction? 7 as a P by Q, as a C by D. Simple 7, I can write it like 7 by 1. 7 by 1, both of them are same. Now it is division. Dividing by 7 by 1 is same as into 1 by 7. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Now it is multiplication, pretty simple. 2 into 1, 2 divided by 7 into 3, 21. 2 by 21 is a required answer. Hope it is clear. So try to do by yourself 3 by 7 into 1 by 2. Try to do it by yourself. Question number 1. And question number 2. 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 5. Question number 3. 1 by 2 plus 8 by 11. And question number 4. 12 by 13 minus 1 by 10. Okay, 4 question I'm giving to you. Well, we are wind upping this one. Thank you all.